Do you like to wait? I bet you don't want to wait. We're the same. They said patience is virtue or a greater virtue. That's not one of my strong suit, my friend. I don't want to wait. I'm impatient. I want everything instant. I want everything like andyan na. And I'm sure you can relate as well. Huwag kang mag-lie. So, sabi sa Psalms 31:24, if I'm not mistaken, double check ko kung yun nga siya. Yun, tama. Be strong and take heart, all you who hope in the Lord. So, hindi, no? Nakaka-encourage kasi be strong and take heart. So, meaning, we have to trust the Lord. And at the same time, the hard part is for us to wait. Diba? Like what I said, we don't want to wait. Even when you're playing sports in cycling, nako, lalo na sa cycling, gusto mo mauuna, gusto mabilis. So, the Lord doesn't operate like that. He's so patient and it's so, methodical in His way. Ika nga. So, what we have to do is we really have to put our trust in Him. We really have to make sure that yung heart natin aligned sa kung ano gusto niya mangyari. It's hard, my friend. It's very hard. But it's one of the challenge that I think this week we should really focus on and meditate. Like, we should take heart and be strong for those who hope in the Lord. Let's hope sa Panginoon. Let's hope na, yung ating faith mas lalong maging strong. Let's hope and pray that our faith will really make us disciples of all nations, like what we wanted to be. Sometimes we wanted to do something, but we can't because we're getting impatient. Your time will come. Take heart, said the Lord. Be strong in Him. Diba? Yun ang gawin natin. So, like me, I'm waiting kung kailan mapapagawa yung car because there was an accident that happened 2 months ago. Accidental naman ng wife, reversing siya. So, gas-gas. But, we're waiting. Hindi madali kasi magastos, no? So, we have to make sure that everything is aligned, everything's been taken care of bago namin pagawa. So, but I hope na naka-encourage ako ngayon na we have to really wait for the Lord. We really have to wait na dumating yung ating time. Your breakthrough is coming, my friend. The best is yet to come. Tandaan mo yan, my friend. The best is yet to come. Kapit tayo. Let's hold on to God's promises. Okay? So until next time, my friend. God bless. Peace, peace, peace. Bye-bye.